Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Getresponse account. So first, create Getresponse account. Enter your full name, email, password, and click on create account. Then, click on go to email account. And then, go to your email and click on activate my account. After that, fill out the Getresponse new account form. Then, answer the what do you want to focus on first. After you answer this, click next step. Now, Getresponse login dashboard. And then, manage your Getresponse login account. And last, click on billing to upgrade to a paid plan. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.